Hey there, lovely people. I'm your real estate agent, Jim Hocking, and today I've got an absolute gem of a home to show you. Get ready to fall in love with this stunning brick ranch located at 112 Covell Avenue Northwest in the vibrant city of Grand Rapids, Michigan. This charming home offers you 3 cozy bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and nearly 1,800 square feet of beautifully designed living space. You're also going to love the convenience of the 2-stall garage, perfect for keeping your vehicles safe from the elements. As we step inside, prepare to be wowed by the spacious living room, featuring gorgeous wood floors that add warmth and character. The large windows let in plenty of natural light, making this the perfect spot for family gatherings or movie nights. Now, let's move on to the heart of the home, the newly renovated kitchen. Featuring modern appliances, sleek countertops, and ample storage, this kitchen is a true chef's dream. And just off the kitchen, we have this amazing sunroom. It's the ideal place to enjoy your morning coffee, read a book, or just soak up the sun. Plus, with easy access to the backyard, it's perfect for indoor-outdoor living. The 2 additional bedrooms in this home are equally charming and spacious, each providing their own closets, the perfect environment for family or guests. Now, let's head downstairs to the fabulous finished basement. This versatile space can be transformed into a home gym, office, playroom, or anything else your heart desires. The possibilities are truly endless. Finally, let's step outside to the fenced-in backyard. This private oasis offers a lush lawn and plenty of space for outdoor entertaining, gardening, or simply relaxing in the sunshine. The fencing ensures that kids and pets can play safely while you enjoy some well-deserved downtime. So, there you have it, folks. 112 Covell Avenue Northwest, a charming brick ranch that perfectly combines comfort, style, and convenience. Don't miss the chance to make this dream home yours. Give me a call today to schedule a private showing, and let's make your home owning dreams come true.